So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can link your Bitget wallet to Bitget Exchange. So guys, if you're trying to link your Bitget wallet to your Bitget Exchange account, then this video is for you. First step is to just go ahead and open the app. And once you're in this home page over here, you just need to look at the top left corner. That's the settings option. So once you're there, you'll find options like languages, study, and communities. So right under your username, you can find the option that says bind Bitget Exchange account. Since bind and link are the same word, we just need to go ahead and tap on bind. Now it'll tell you the information. It says add after authorization. The app will have these following permissions. It'll ask to access your Ethereum on-chain data, request your authorization for transactions, and provide a Bitget Exchange account's deposit address. It also says that your private key will not be shared. So after reading that, you decide that you want to bind your Bitget Exchange account, and just go ahead and tap on confirm and type down your PIN codes. And once you've done so, you will be led to this. Go ahead and make sure you download this app. This is also a Bitget Wallet app, but this is just the Bitget app. This is the main app where you can link your Bitget Exchange account. In this account, you will have more options than your Bitget wallet. So wait for it to download and tap on open. So you'll be led to this account. Tap on continue and you would be led to this page. Log into your account. So if you already have an account, go ahead and do this. There are many options. You can choose to log into your Google account or Apple or Telegram. Now you just need to verify. So just select, tap on OK, and now your email will receive a code. So check your Gmail. And there you go, guys. You have logged into your Bitget account. And now go back to this bind option over here. Tap on open. Now it says account binding. Tap on confirm. Tap on confirm again. Enter the PIN code again. It says that you have successfully bound your Bitget Exchange account. So guys, there you go. That's how you bind your Bitget wallet to Bitget Exchange account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.